Hi friends, welcome back. Come along with us today as we're going to take our first trip with our new full setup. That's right, we've traveled with the truck camper before, but now we have our cargo trailer with the motorcycle and all our toys, and it's going to be our first time with it all together.
Hello and welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we're
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
We're full-time RVers. We do destination videos, tips and tricks, and all things RV. If that sounds like something you'd like, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and come along on our journeys.
We tried to put together our own hitch system and travel with the camper and the trailer before, but we had such a hard time with the hitch that it just didn't work. I thought I had the right pieces I needed. When we finally got all of the pieces in place, when we hooked the trailer to the camper and the truck, we only had about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of clearance, guys, so I had to retool that whole system, the extension and the hitch for the trailer. So that's what took us quite a bit of time, was trying to figure that out. It took me a couple of trips just to try and get what I needed, but then when I added all of it together, it still didn't work right, so I had to go in and redo it. I didn't have time to do it right the first time, but I had time to do it twice, guys, I guess. Sorry.
So today we're going to head toward Quartzite. We're going to make some stops on the way, and so y'all come along with us and enjoy the journey.
Absolutely. And I know, guys, we've got a lot of new pieces here that we haven't introduced on the channel. We have a lot of things coming up very soon on the channel with the new setup. What we're going to plan on doing here in 2024 is coming up very soon. We haven't introduced you to the motorcycle or any of that stuff. So guys, we've got a lot of really good stuff coming up on the channel. So stick around, come back at least weekly right now and see our videos. It really helps us out, and we got a lot of good stuff coming. So, including
Alaska. Finally.
Spoiler alert, I didn't know we were going to Alaska. Well, I knew we were going, but I didn't know we were going to tell y'all yet. So yeah, you guys are going to want to stick around for all this good stuff. Plus, I mean, truck campers are just cool. You can't not watch truck campers, right? Since we finally got our new setup on the road, guys, we decided to make new logos, new stickers. So this is the new sticker depicting the new truck camper. Nothing else has changed as far as name or anything goes. If you follow us at all on Facebook, we've already put this out there, but now you know what our new sticker and our new logo looks like for our new channel with the truck camper. Also, Allison has a new sticker to show you too.
If you've been following us, you'll know that in 2023, we lost over 150 pounds together. And I'm just so excited, and I love our program so much. I've never been able to stick to anything. I love it because I'll just tell you about it one-on-one, but we became health coaches because we love this program, and we had this designed, or actually he designed both of these. So we do have stickers for Jarhead and Ginger's health coaching, and if you want to know more about how we can help you with health coaching, we've already helped over 40 people with their weight, and we would love to help you too. So send us an email or a message us on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey on Facebook, and make sure you're following us there too, because that has more up-to-date information.
Yep, and if you guys just want a sticker or 2 stickers, one of each, you can send us an email or just send us a message on one of our videos or on our YouTube or wherever you can send us a message, and we'll get one of these out to you. If you do want us to send one to you though, we're definitely going to need your address, guys. Still on our way to Quartzite, guys. Last night's stop was right here in Columbus, Texas. We are here at Colorado River 1000 Trails, and we got parked up no problem for the night. We have been here several times before, so it was no surprise to us about the campground here. Let me give you a quick site tour, and we'll continue on with our day. Come along with us today, guys, as we make it hopefully down to San Antonio. And you're gonna want to stick around to the end because we're going down there to meet one of our friends you may or may not know. Come on. Here we are on our site, guys. We did get a pull-through site just because that's what the new ones are, is the pull-through. They are gravel, as you can see. And on this side, we do have the full hookups. So we have water, sewer, 30 and 50 amp over here. All worked fine, no problems. We left the trailer, as you can see, I guess it's not really a trailer, camper. We left the camper, as you can see, still on the truck. We just dropped the jacks a ways down just so they made contact, and that's a nice solid way to spend an evening. It's very solid in the truck that way. Normally if you take it off the truck, it gets a little rocky and there's a lot of motion going on inside, but this way it's a lot more stable. You can jump around in there and it works very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get disconnected. Allison's inside working on the inside stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and dump a little bit and put on some water maybe, and we're gonna get going. And that's it, guys. All the dumping is complete. Now we got to pick everything up and get ready for the move.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
stopping at the Buc-ees in Luling, Texas. And look, this is the holiday traffic. This is the most packed I have seen this Buc-ees. It is, I think, December 28th or 29th. And just look at this. And in Luling at this Buc-ees, they're building another Buc-ees. If you see down there, it's a whole separate building that they're building, even bigger, more gas pumps. So they're going to have 2 Buc-ees in one in Luling. We're just stopping for a quick bathroom break. Maybe we should have chosen somewhere else.
That Buc-ees was completely crazy, guys. There was no way we were getting in there, so we didn't go, which is really weird for us. If you know us, we really don't pass a Buc-ees, but technically we didn't pass that Buc-ees either. We went in, it just wasn't conducive to us. This Christmas traffic and New Year's traffic is crazy. It's Friday, it's only about 1 o'clock now in the afternoon or so, and it is crazy everywhere we go. Even this Love's is packed. It's about, I don't know, 5 or 10 miles down the road from where the Buc-ees was. We pulled in here to get some diesel. Allison went in, she's getting us some drinks, and then we're gonna get back on the road. We're gonna be there pretty soon, guys. We're heading to San Antonio like we said, and you're gonna wanna stick around. A few more minutes, we'll be there, and you'll get to see who we're going to stay with. We're going to mooch dock with somebody that's mooch docking. You may or may not know who we're talking about. Stick around, let's go.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many.
Well, here we are all set up at our mystery location near San Antonio. There is the truck. Most of you guys have already seen the truck and the setup. The rest of the setup, the trailer that we haven't really officially shown on the channel yet, is parked just down the driveway a little ways. We have the homeowners Class A there, and just look at this property. There's a little tiny house behind, and this is a beautiful property, all treed right off the highway, but all these trees block all of the highway noise. Good sleep. We had no trouble with any kind of noises or anything crazy. Other than our own dogs, that's pretty much the only thing we have to deal with. Every once in a while you hear an airplane go over too. But this place is just absolutely gorgeous.
And we are here with our host and friend Gracie. We first met last year in Georgia, and then we saw each other again at the Oregon meetup, and there will be another one this June in Oregon. So if you don't know Gracie, this is Gracie. This is Jacques from Gracie and Jacques Adventures.
Hello, hello. And this is Mary Posa. She's my 31-foot Class C, and I traveled in her for a year and a half. And recently brought home Fannie Mae. I had her built out this last year by Johnny's Journey Midwest Van Builders. Did a fabulous job, and Scott and Allison are going to drop you the link to that van tour. And Jock and I love the small footprint, and Fannie Mae is everything that I wanted in a tiny home, and I'm just super excited to be able to travel and get better gas mileage and better parking. And I've got 600 watts of solar on top. I've got a 300 AC Blue Eddy. So yeah, she's got everything I need for Jock and I to live comfortably and be full-time nomads and enjoy our life.
It's awesome. Wait till you see the inside. If you haven't seen Johnny's Journey, she was a nurse and now she builds vans. She does an amazing job. The inside of this you wouldn't believe. So go check that out. Make sure you watch Gracie's tour, and there are several others. And if you're going to Quartzite, you can meet us there.
So every year for the last 3 years, I've hosted a meetup in Oregon. It was 021, 22, 023. This year we'll have 024. It will be at Schroeder Park in Grants Pass. I have a website, pnwnomadicmeetup.com, and then also on Facebook, Gracie Elaine Wall on Facebook, and then there's links to the 024 meetup happening June 14th to the 21st. Schroeder Park, Grants Pass is going to be a fabulous time. Love to have you. Reserve your spots now.
Well, that'll do it for this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it and you're still here, we'd really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It only takes you a couple of seconds. It really helps us out, and we'd really appreciate it.
And just for an update on our weight loss journey, of course, he's still at his goal. I am down 98.7 pounds since February 15th, and looking forward to ringing in the new year with a big number, small number, which makes more sense. I don't know.
A big number lost.
Yes.
Triple digits. Getting into them triple digits on lost, guys.
Yes.
Well, again, guys, we appreciate you making it this far. As always, Semper Fi.
And God bless.
Hello, I'm Gracie with Gracie and Jacques Adventure. Join us next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.